And this is insane, guys. The free resources are here in my Foodie Sizzle game. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. What's up, guys? 900k free coins in the Foodie Sizzle game. This is not any cheat. This is possible for real thanks to our sponsors who offered us a method to get them for free. So alright, I'm gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure about that. And here is the situation before trying anything. Please make sure you tap on your profile icon and check again your user ID because we're gonna use it later. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com, make sure it's the .com one, then I search for the Foodie Sizzle game to find it easier. Next, I'm gonna tap on the start button, and here I'm entering the user ID I talked about earlier. Then I select Android, and of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of coins. As I've already told you guys, these Foodie Sizzle coins are given by some sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them, but don't worry about it because this step is super easy and it only takes you a few minutes of your time. Now let's go back to our game and see what happened. And this is insane, guys. The free resources are here in my Foodie Sizzle game. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Hope you guys also enjoy this method, and please don't forget to smash that like button and even hit the subscribe button if you wish. See you in the next one.